I bought this shirt and I have no regrets. I'm gonna go change. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a easy heatless hairstyles for school. I actually wanted to film this video because I have been doing these hairstyles recently and I've been trying to put a little bit more effort into my hair, so I thought it'd be good to share them with you guys. My hair is naturally straight, but I did curl it today and it's because I wanted more texture for the hairstyles, but I'm not gonna be showing you guys how to curl my hair in this video because I made an IGTV about it. It's actually my first IGTV and I just basically teach you guys how I curl my hair like this. So if you guys want to watch that, I'll have my Instagram link down below in the description box. Oops. And yeah, with all that being said, let us get started. So first up, I have my viewfinder off to the right of me, and then I also have my mirror, so I'm gonna be probably looking over there most of the time because this isn't like a blind hairstyles challenge video. I'm trying to make these look good. But for most of these hairstyles, you're just gonna need small elastics and bobby pins. But starting off, I take my hair and I just part it down the middle, and then I bring it all forward. Then starting at the top of your hair, I start to twist it very gently and gathering it all into one big section like so. And then I take that and I just twist it and then I form that into a bun. Then taking a small clear elastic, I secure that little bun so it doesn't escape, just like so. Literally, oh, that looks horrible. Hold on, we're gonna fix this. But I like to secure it and make sure it's in place. So I normally use 1 to 2 rubber bands for that. And I'm gonna kind of retwist the place and then bobby pin that. That surprisingly turned out pretty good. Sometimes it's hit or miss with my hair, and today it's a hit. My mom texted me, "You want to take piano lessons this school year every other week." So now you're just gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. Taking it, lightly twisting it away from my head and gathering more hair, and then twisting that into a bun. And then once again, I take a bobby pin and I just secure that more flat to my head. And there is the completed first hairstyle. This one, I'm not gonna lie, is probably my favorite. It's so easy. That took me probably like, if I actually like rushed and tried my best, probably could take me actually like 2 minutes to do this hairstyle. If you want, you can pull out some pieces. I feel like it looks fine without it though. And I do definitely feel like having a little bit more texture in your hair definitely makes this hairstyle look a little bit better, kind of like that messy look. If you're feeling a little bit extra that day, you can take like a hair scarf and go underneath and tie this up. Just like that. That's honestly so cute. Kind of gives me like milkmaid vibes. What would also be really cute if you got like 2 matching hair scarves and then you tied them to both of the buns. Anyway, so there's the completed first hairstyle. Kind of look like Shrek. It's okay. Okay, next hairstyle. These hairstyles are like so easy. It's almost like, but I guess, I mean, no one wants to learn how to do a hard hairstyle. At the end of the day, we don't have time for that. Okay, so this next one is kind of like that milkmaid vibe. So once again, I like to start with my braids most of the time, like with a middle part. I just feel like it looks even and balanced. So, I mean, if you prefer having a side part, you can do whatever looks good on you. I like a middle part, but I'm gonna start off with grabbing a small section of hair towards the front, like so. And then I'm gonna divide it into 3 sections. And then I'm going to do a Dutch braid, which is when you start with the middle piece and cross it over instead of under. And I'm going to only incorporate hair from the front. So instead of like grabbing hair from up here, I'm gonna be grabbing hair from down here. And then I rubber band it off. I'm gonna be eventually taking out this rubber band, so it's not that big of a deal. But then I go in and I pancake my braid. And pancaking is when you take the edge of the braid and you're gonna slightly pull on it, just tug on it a little, and it just makes your braid bigger. Okay, so we're not done yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing on my right side of my face, or right side of my head, my hair. You know what I mean. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my bobby pins. I use just about 1 bobby pin, and I take the braid and I bobby pin it towards the back of my head, and then I take the rubber band out from the braid. And then I repeat the same side. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull out just a few like baby hairs. But that completes this hairstyle. This one's also super pretty and it's very elegant looking. I don't know why, but like one side of my braids always turn out way better than the other. Like this side is way better than this side. If you guys wake up on time and you don't hit the snooze button, maybe you can have time to do this hairstyle in the morning. It also is like feels very secure in my head, so this would be perfect for school. Like it won't move. It's pretty foolproof and it's a good way to practice your braiding skills and flex on everybody with them. So there's hairstyle number 2. That's 4. 2. Okay, hairstyle number 3. I don't even know if you can consider this a hairstyle because it's so crazy simple that it's like, it literally takes 2 seconds. All you're gonna do is part your hair a little bit deeper than you normally would. So I'm gonna do a deep right part and bring all of my hair to the side like this. And I normally like to tuck it behind my ear. And then take this side of my hair, tuck it behind my ear, and then take like 2 bobby pins and pin the hair behind my ear right here. Literally, like, that's it. This kind of looks a little bit more like edgy. I don't know, some era around there, like the 20s or 30s, where they like would tuck their hair behind the ear. And then if you want, you can go ahead and add some accessories. Like there's clips like this, a lot more bougie, or you can use like flower clips or honestly just whatever. Plus, it would be super pretty if you like got a nice pair of earrings and you just wore them. It's a good way to showcase your ears. Super pretty and very fun and fresh. Dun, 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 dun. And last but not least, it is not the least. Don't even think that for 1 second. It is the rope twist braids that I did the other day. I did it in my back to school clothing haul and some of you guys asked for a tutorial on it. It's also super simple and it's easier than like regular braiding. So if you're not the best at braiding, maybe you'll be good at this. But all you do is part your hair down the middle, what a shocker, and then divide them in the back too. Bring it to the front and then you're going to start with 2 pieces of hair. So grab one section, divide it in half like so. I'm gonna zoom in for this. And then you're gonna cross over the front, then incorporate some hair, then cross it over again. And then repeat that process just over and over down the side of your head. Okay, so once you get to about like the nape of your neck, you're gonna twist the section towards your face and then cross it away. Does that make sense? So you're gonna twist it towards your neck, but then you're gonna flip it away. So I'm twisting towards, and then I'm crossing it away. And basically what this does is it secures it, so when you rubber band it, it like doesn't unravel. You're twisting forward, crossing away, and then once you're done, rubber band it. So it will kind of, I like to do mine a little bit tighter because it will unravel when you let it go. It'll unravel a little bit, kind of just like that. Honestly, it stays though. If you try just regular like rope twisting, just crossing it, then it will unravel. By twisting it and then going like that, it like secures it. I don't really know the science behind it, but I just know it works. Okay, so then now I'm gonna go ahead and pancake the braid or the twist, and that's what makes it like voluminous and that more messy look. Tumblr, Instagram aesthetic, whatever. If you guys want to pancake it more, then you can, but so start off a little bit smaller, that way like you won't mess up. Then you can increase the size if you want, you know, a bigger look. And see how I like get super puffy right here? That's when I take a bobby pin and I just pin it down towards my head to flatten it more. Then I also like to just take my fingers and kind of rough them over my baby hairs. And that completes the last hairstyle. It's very simple as well. This one's super pretty and that's how you do it. And that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you guys learned some new hairstyles that you're gonna use and love and feel confident in, because that's what matters. You guys can definitely adjust these to like your liking. If you want a side part, do a side part or whatever. And you can definitely accessorize your hair too. I put like flower clips in my braid. Yeah, I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. If you guys want, you can like my videos and you can subscribe to see more. If you guys want to see my IGTV of how I curled my hair, I'll have that link down below in the description box. I also have a vlog channel. You can go subscribe there. Follow me on Insta, do all the social stuff, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!